Good morning, everybody. Today is March 3rd, 2026. Let's get going, to making some money, right? Um, so I just done. Pre-market plan was just to observe what was going on in overnight, which I had my alerts on. 800 got swept, 600 got swept, and then 400 got hit too. So we're down to 24,512 for a minus 2% on the total Nasdaq market. I called that. I called it would go down. I was late, not late. I was early with the price in. I have no idea why. Futures went up yesterday. I don't think there was a reason futures should have went up for S&P, Dow, and the Nasdaq. Like we ended up being up like 0.4, 0.5 over a 2%, swing. That was not what I anticipated as the pricing would be. I would anticipate maybe 100-point recovery and then a continuation downward, but it looks like we got a 400-500-point recovery, and now we have a 400-500-point drop from yesterday's close. Yeah, 500-point drop from yesterday's close. And then, pre-market analysis is either, we break down from the range into a continuation of selling pressure, and that's kind of what the chart looks like. Kind of huge downward dip after the big pump, and then now we're retesting probably overnight, and then come back to 600. You see order 600, 575, and then I was looking, for 24 400. It's got 85 orders. And if we scroll all the way down, 25 150 has 407 orders, right? So we could probably see some pretty good price action. Yesterday off stream, I didn't end up trading, and I finally caught the short continuation. It was about 100 points. We retested 24,970. Never got to the orders at 25,000, right? We did, I think, half an hour later, but we had that test, and then we had a 100-point drop. I went 20 micros in, and I made 4,000 on that trade, and I ended up being up 5,600. Give me one sec. I could show you. You could see right here. P&L $5,757. Sunday I made 1,000, and then Monday I made 4. Pretty good stat line. I think the max payout on these accounts is about 2,000. So 2,000, and then the next payout would be 3. So right now it's just grind out, 150K or $150, win per day. I have a great buffer, so I mean, I would assure that payout is secure. Secured some money. Yeah, but 100 points with 20 micros. I was leveraging more 100%. I've been trying bigger size on some days. Some days, if it's just really good market, you don't really need to play with bigger size. You can hop in with 2, 3, 4 micros and still make that $1,500, $2,000 benchmark. But in other days, obviously. Crude oil's at almost 9%. We're at $77 on crude. We're probably going to look at an $80 crude oil price. I was not expecting silver to fall. Silver's down about 7%, down back in the 80s, low 80s, 82. Gold's down about 3% too, but not that much. It's at $5,148. Looks like silver might not make that recovery. I think silver price was just well overinflated. I think all the retail traders also hopped in, kind of created a GameStop effect where the stock was just pumping. Everyone wanted a piece. short sellers got squeezed, and then now we're kind of seeing the effects of it, where it's just not gonna, you're not gonna see big days anymore. Everyone sees 7% downward swings. You're gonna try to trade it. And I absolutely think that's a great idea if you know how to trade silver, if you know how to read its book, read the map. I don't know if I have. I bought the COMEX, silver SGC, right? I bought gold for COMEX, but it doesn't fucking load. You believe that shit? It just freezes. Market currently closed. Yeah, it just doesn't work. Kind of upset about that. I have to contact support. Yeah. So today I'm gonna be just trading evals for today. I am down a funded from Sunday, so you know how that story goes. I think I have like $70 in that funded, but that's not necessarily anything I could do with. I've had come back from like only having $200 in drawdown and ended up getting a payout, but in this case scenario, I think I'm just in too much drawdown. I would just let that thing just sit. But yeah, it's just gonna be an eval day. Let's see if I can smack some trades on the eval. Trying to, make back some fundeds back. If you guys don't know, Discord is live and running. I post daily analysis is there. I think I forgot a couple from last week, but this week I'm going to be posting more, just analyzing the trades. I post daily shout outs of what I see happening. I have alerts on most futures, markets. But if you are not part of a Discord, if you're part of a Discord and your Discord sucks, please go on my Instagram, go on my TikTok. It'll be link in bio. Join the Discord. It is 100% free. I don't charge you anything. I do it because it's fun. It's fun running a Discord. So please, if you're interested. If you're not, then whatever. I don't give a shit. I wonder if my videos have been getting more or less views. It's a great question. Okay, market's open. See what happens. Man, I'm losing subscribers. Not getting as much views as I want. Okay. Looks like it's pumping up to 600, like I was saying. $600 hit. See if we'll get a mean reversion or an absorption of 600. I doubt it. If it's gonna be another day where we just pump, bro, I might just sit this thing out. Nah, I never sit it out. What are you talking about? Never. For me to sit out, but dude, this thing is pissing me off. Why can't you just fucking? What the fuck? There we go. Oh, we reject. Looks like we're rejecting 600. Petroleum, ConocoPhillips, and Devon Energy all up as people would expect. Looks like we might get a rejection overnight. Yep, we're rejecting overnight pretty well. Look at that. Oh, okay. There's a lot of sell orders just waiting to be executed above 600. CBD as negative 3,000. But look at that lack of liquidity, though. Yeah. Some buyers, some passive buyers step in. But I think it should be good. So I'm in short on this. I believe that rejection of 600 is valid. That's what the market's telling me. Yep. Okay. Can we start shooting lower, please? Oh, I don't like how the spread is so thin, dude. On beneath. I think we should get to, it looks like 30 right here. We're getting good selling pressure. Let's just see if sellers can hold this. My stop's at 500. Not stop. My TP's at 500. Oh, buyers are trying to hold this thing up. They're failing. Nice. Oh, we actually might smack TP. Are we going to smack TP? Fastest TP smack I've ever had? Oh, wait. Come on. Get there. Literally 10 points away from TP. Ooh, what an absorption. There we go. Smack TP for me. Oh, okay, that spread's thin. That's why we're jumping a little bit. I'm on the 15-minute chart. Put me on the 1 minute. Let's see where we're at. Oh, come on, dude. There's no way. 2 points away from my TP, bro. Or what did it come up to? Yeah, 502. My stop's at 499.25, bro. Okay, there we go. Should get a push downward now. Yeah. Oh, wow. Crowded bid. Yeah, look at those executions. We got a lot of executions at 45 for buyers. So we'll see what happens. And this trade's in the negative. Okay. What a okay. Oh, now I'm down 500. Okay. What the hell's going on? Touched overnight VWAP again. Holy shit, what the fuck is going on, dude? Wow, what a fucking sweep. All right. Can we push that thing lower? No, we can't. I can't believe I was 2 points away from TP. Seriously? Oh, okay. Now I guess I'm down $1,200 now. What is going on? Okay. Whoa. I didn't even get a chance to react, dude. Is my account gone? We're in the 50s. What the actual fuck, bro? Sorry, guys. Kind of pissed off right now because we just had a 200-point mean reversion out of nowhere. We've also 2 points away from TP, and now we are just gonna shatter my accounts that I just paid for. Oh, nice. Okay. I'm getting a rejection here. Nice. Oh, what the hell is that absorption? There we go. Okay, this should shred through 600 now. There we go. Come on. Okay, there it is. Yep. Come on. Break 90s for me. Break the 90s for me. There we go. There we go. Should easily just keep shooting downwards. Yep. Wonderful, wonderful. Come on. Get those buyers out of there. Yep. Yep. Come on. No way they're trying to keep this market up, dude. As I say that, okay. Don't pump. Thank you. Nice. Nice. Low 80s. Okay. Mid 90s now. Entry price is 89. Can we shoot downwards now? Look at that. Look at that. Look at those big ass orders. Thank you. Someone's trying to take this thing down. Finally. Oh, okay. Yeah, those buyers are trying to. It's like they're trying to get out of this. Ooh, that's a lot of selling pressure. Hopefully this thing gets shot downward. Yep. Okay, nice. Can we break 60s? Yes, we can. Okay. Tap TP for me. Don't bounce off of yesterday's New York. There we go. Come on. Try that again. Come on. A few more points. There we go. Nice. Okay, 2 accounts halfway past, and then I got to trade my my funded. So yeah, I almost blew the account because I had a random mean reversion, a little bounce off of yesterday's New York VWAP. But yeah, no, we still made the money. So that's not bad. Okay, so we're gonna actually trade the funded. Looks like we're under both VWAPs now. We might see that bounce here, but I don't know if the buyers want to step in on this again. Let's see what happens here. I'm in no rush to make my $150. See a little retest here. I think they're going to try to break this. Yep. Nice levels. I'm at 4.2, break of yesterday's New York VWAP, and then I'm targeting 504 just for that $150 profit, and that's at the low, the previous low, so pretty high confidence it could hit. 65 ticks or $65. We got some buyers stepping in. Looks like they're all passive, nothing huge. 18 contracts, 19. I think we can break the low 30s. Yep, there's that selling pressure. Nice, up 100. See if we get to 500, or the liquidity might be too thin to get there. Let's see. It's gonna take a lot of aggressive sellers right here in the 30s to take it downwards. I don't see anything super aggressive, but we're in the higher 10s trying to take this thing down. There's some passive buyers, but to be honest, this might reverse. Yeah, we'll see. Swept 40s. We might see a break above 40. Yep. Wow, what a mean reversion right here. Okay. 70s. Wow. Okay. All right. Sure. What the fuck? Okay, look at that sweep. Okay, no, never mind. Okay, my stop didn't even get filled. Okay, well, I'm down 250 on that. What the hell was that? What was that? Just random mean reversion. Okay, I'm gonna try this rejection. Nice, got filled in pretty nicely. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice, very nice. Nice, up to 50. Rejection of new overnight. Quick scalp in this range. Target's 34, 535. Can we get there? Can we get there? Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Yep. Come on, just keep sliding just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Come on. Okay, come on. You got it. You got it. Wow, what a wick, dude. Today I've just been getting edged, man. There we go. Very nice, very sweet. There you go. Come on. A little more. Just a little bit bigger push. Tapped. Okay. P&L's 278 for the day. Okay. So I'm done with this account. Sweet. That is 2 winning days. All right. Well, I'm pretty much done for today, guys. Very rangy market today. I expect this thing to break the 500s. But yeah, I mean, I made my. That's the thing. I made my money yesterday, so now I only need like $150. Yeah, I lost one trade for 250, and then made 535 for 278. Up 6,000 on the week. Pretty nice. And then on the leader account, on my new funded or new evals, 2 off this break. I didn't really see any orders above, so I kept it in, or it's gonna just blow my account, whatever. And then once I see that downturn, I added in, I think 5 right here. So I was in total 15, got out at this target right here. And then I enter in for like 2 contracts just to make it 10 extra bucks. So $4.99. But yeah, that's on 2 accounts. Yeah, great day. I mean, quick, easy, efficient. I'll fucking take it. We're getting the break of 500s now. This thing should shoot down to 150. There's no way buyers can hold this up now. Look at that crowded bid. 65.28. Oh my goodness. No mean reversion this time, I'm guessing. Yep. Sweep to push lower. Yep. Break under 5. I don't see any buyers trying to take this thing back upward. Never mind. I guess I'm just wrong today, dude. I guess we're in just a range. It's a brutal range. It's just buyers don't want to give up. Sellers want to take this thing down to -3, 4%. Yeah, buyers don't want them to. It's crazy thinking that we're actually in a war. So, all right, guys. Well, 20 minutes in the trading day and we're done. So, hope you guys had a good one. I'll see y'all later. Peace.